5:30 a.m. This is the start of an epic trip. Won't be back home for quite some time. Feels a little weird. And it's still drizzling out a little bit. All right, I'm gonna fill up. We're gonna grab some coffee. Yeah. 1 month. Yeah, it's a long time. I also got almost 3,000 miles on the bike. I put these Michelin Commander 3 tires on at about 900 miles. So I got already about almost 2,100 miles on the Michelin Commander tires. So I want to show you guys after the trip how they wear and how they last. I love the new model. Love the new model, how it looks. Really, I'm really excited to go, but it's like I'm also kind of a little sad I'm leaving home for this long. I'm definitely gonna miss my family. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? This is guy ready. He is ready to go, baby. My man, you ready, buddy? You ready? Yeah. Let's do it. Let's go. But in and out of rain. So we got a little wet. That'll air dry in an hour on the road. A little bit wet. I hope this ain't the beginning of all the rain that we're gonna be in for the entire trip. I hope it's the end. Your pants a little wet? A little? Yeah, no big deal. Yeah. Hour on the road, they'll dry.
Yeah. My socks and my boots, that's the thing.
All right, guys, we're gonna get going again. Sandy's a little wet.
A little wet, dude. A little wet.
He's rocking the Bell helmet, and we'll tell you guys. I'm rocking the LS2. And we'll tell you guys later how they fare out. But we got about 140 miles in, 250 miles to go. We should be in and around the Steel City, Harley Davidson area probably in about 4 or 5 hours. 137 miles to go. So we're making pretty good time. Not sure where we are. Somewhere in Pennsylvania. 137 miles to go. Everything going pretty good. Without my boots because they're a little wet. We got caught in a unpredicted little short rainstorm and my socks are wet. Look at that, Custom Dynamics, baby, get it. Get it.
I only get.
Look at that, Custom Dynamics, look at them socks. Nice and wet.
Show me the other one, because that one says
what is
get.
That? What does that one say?
Get lit.
Get lit. There you go.
Get lit.
Hang on.
Get lit. You should have put it the other way. That it's lit. Get. There you go.
Custom Dynamics. Yeah. Little wet, guys. Little wet. I'm gonna ride with my socks on. Don't make fun of me. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna put my boots over here on my cargo net. And they're gonna dry out. They're gonna do a little air dry. And then we'll have a dry pair of boots. Yeah, and they'll dry. Get some wind going there. See? I'll have to ride with my socks.
Like that?
That's
you
right.
Crazy.
Oh my God. Man, it's yeah. My what you call? What was I gonna say? I forgot.
What?
Oh, no traffic. It's been good. It's been flowing.
Yeah.
It's been flowing really nice. Route 76. I think it's 76.
Yeah, we're on
west. Okay, stretched out the legs a little bit. Now feeling a little better. Went to the bathroom. Feeling pretty good, no, Sandy boy?
I did my pee-pee, I'm good.
Oh, he did pee-pee, huh?
I did my pee-pee, I'm 100%
He's like a little boy. He did his pee-pee. Did you go pee-pee, Sandy? Now, that's it. We got about, let me see.
I said we go to
33 miles, I think. Hang on a second.
No, 47, I think, my man. Oh, you're right. It's closer.
Yeah, no, 46 miles. We're going to try to check in early because it's 1 p.m. now. We should be there by 2. We'll try to check in a little bit early. If not, we'll eat.
Listen, I'll show them my holy shift card.
If we can't check in, we'll go eat, then we'll check in, and then we'll head to Steel City, but we're almost there. Good? All right, guys, we are checked in early. We're gonna go put our stuff in, and then somebody, hang on a second, on Instagram, what's his name? let me see. I want to give you a shout out. V Kennedy 81 said go to the Pig and Firehouse of Barbecue. That's where we're going. Thanks, brother. Ding ding. Ding ching. Ding ching. Ding ding.
That shit out. Sense of community.
Where's 581? We got the penthouse suite here. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Okay, we're finally in the room. Washington, Pennsylvania. We're gonna go get something to eat now, and we're gonna go straight to Steel City, Harley Davidson. We got about, let me see, we got about an hour and 40 minutes to do both of that. I got Sandy's bell helmet on. I wanted to try it out. Not bad. I don't like this. This is like kind of, feels like it's interfering with my vision. I don't know. The helmet's pretty comfortable though. First thing I don't like is this feels like it's interfering with my vision. It needs to be higher. But they didn't do it higher because then it'd be like really like a sail. But I could see it might be good as like a sun visor, block the sun. I don't know. All right, guys, right here we're at the Pig and Firehouse of Barbecue. I believe it's Washington,
Township. Town. City.
Washington, Pennsylvania. Yeah. So we actually have to run and eat really quick. Come on, Sandy, my boy. Yeah, we got to eat quick because we got an hour and 20 minutes to be at the dealer. See front desk for seating. And I'm starving, dude. What a view, huh? Whoa! Look at that.
Oh, beautiful.
I'm starving. I didn't eat all day, not even breakfast. What do we got here, Sandy boy? Here. No, not that. Here.
Oh, I didn't bring my
Green beans. Look at that. Half a rack. A little brisket, green beans, a little veg. You got the brisket too.
It's really good, dude.
Yeah?
Oh, that looks amazing.
That's good.
Not bad, huh?
That's good.
414 miles. That's what my speedo says.
Oh man, they just brought out more stuff. They found out I was a YouTuber, and now they're bringing out the goods. Got a little slaw, a little Gouda mac and cheese, baked beans,
Wow.
some pulled pork. What else we got? We got some wings.
Dry rub wings.
Dry rubbed. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's hot. Oh my God, that's good.
Hot.
Oh my God, that dry rub on here. Ooh, that is good.
What is a dry rub?
That's to me. Well, I look like a chef. So much meat, we're gonna have the meat sweats.
Oh, it is good.
Dude, I could eat like 10 of these.
Easy. So quick, I tell you what's going on. They're trying everything out, and it's actually really, really good. All the mac and cheese.
That mac and cheese is
Great.
money.
This beans with something.
One more bite. One more bite.
We can find out.
One more bite never hurt anybody.
A Harley channel, not a food channel.
Very good.
Very good, yeah.
Thank you.
It's got like. What was that?
That was good. I'm telling you, I think that's like the best chicken wing I ever had. That dry rub is the money. Wow. All of it's good. Highly recommended.
Too much.
Too much.
Too much.
No dinner for you tonight.
Everything was delicious.
Good.
But that chicken wing,
It's delicious, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
boy.
Well, I'm glad we sent that out for you to
I'm
try.
glad too.
Yeah, good. Next time you'll get some wings, right?
Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome.
We have a sign in the front now. Guys, Pig and Fire Barbecue, Washington, Pennsylvania. I would give it like, honestly, like a 9.5 out of 10. Excellent. The sides, the meat was really good. That chicken wing was friggin' phenomenal, man. That's probably the best chicken wing, and that was a big chicken wing with the drumstick and everything, right? That was probably one of the best, probably I'm gonna say the best chicken wing I ever had, 100% hands down. So it's highly recommended, and like I said, for Kennedy 81 gave me the recommendation on Instagram. We came here, you did a good job, brother. Right? Good thing it was good. It was definitely well worth it. All right, let's go to the dealer. I'm stuffed. I had about 40 minutes, so me and Sandy wiped the bikes down. I don't want to show up with a filthy ass bike. Harley's right here, Steel City. How you doing?
Good, good.
We hit a little rain.
Oh,
How you doing, John, man?
Seen that this morning.
What's your name?
Elijah.
Elijah, how you doing?
Good, good.
Who's this one?
This is my daughter, Paisley.
Paisley, how you doing?
Yep. So you'll be on the back of Daddy's bike here before too long. Her sister.
You're kidding me. All the way from Cleveland you came?
Cleveland.
Oh, geez, thanks.
Not that far, 2.5 hours.
How many?
2.5.
2.5, but still, that's far. That's far. That's far.
Standing.
You didn't just roll out of the house and got
No,
here. You
no.
got to ride 2.5.
I had to
How you
work on it
doing,
for a
John?
while.
How
Good to
are
meet
you?
you.
Pleasure, man. Pleasure, Tom.
I
How
just
you
came
doing?
from Sturgis.
Oh, no kidding.
Get on ATV Fest. I towed the bike.
Oh, no
the
kidding.
dirt bike over there.
Oh,
But
sweet.
Your being here was the straw that broke the camel's back about how I was going to go home.
Oh, no
I
kidding.
went to Pitt years ago, and the Pirates are in town, and Skeens is pitching tonight.
You got the
So-
trifecta.
oh, it was great.
You got the
Thank
trifecta.
you.
Well,
Because
thanks
otherwise, I
so
wouldn't have
much.
gone back to Pitt. It's been 40 years since I've been there. I was
Oh,
home
gotcha.
once today. It was awesome.
Thank you. I appreciate you guys coming. Thank you.
The game
Yeah.
is when tonight?
Tonight, yeah, against St. Louis.
How you doing? What's going on, John?
Steve.
How are you, Steve? Where you from?
Canton, Ohio.
Oh, sweet.
I
How
literally
far?
just pulled in and
Oh, no kidding.
those guys rolled
how,
up.
how far is that for
It's
you?
about an hour. It's Hour south.
Damn, I
Cleveland, so it's
appreciate
about
that,
2
man.
hours and
Thanks
15
for
minutes,
thanks
dude.
for driving 2 hours
Yeah.
just to see me. I appreciate it,
I've
man.
watched you since you started your
Oh,
channel.
thanks, brother.
And
I appreciate
I'm
that,
getting
man.
me a road glide here next
Oh,
year.
you better,
so-
man.
Yeah.
This guy's doing it right. He's got the golf clubs on the bike.
It's awesome. I'm looking for something like this for 30 fucking
Yeah.
years, man.
This is like Kyle. Kyle Wyman's got the same setup. He does. Why take the car, right? If you could take the bike and go play golf, right?
It's going 85 miles an hour. You didn't even
Oh,
know
no.
it's there.
Yeah, this is a nice setup, man. That's sweet.
Yeah, it goes right in. Snaps
Beautiful.
right in. The big thing is it come with a strap that really sucked.
Oh, yeah?
And
You got something different?
trying to figure out something. Yeah, I put these ratchet straps.
Gotcha. Well, have fun, man. All right, Steel City Harley Davidson. Let's go check it out inside. What's your name? What do you do?
Oh, God.
Come on. All right, we got to get her on camera. What's your name? What do you do here?
What's up? I'm Lisa from Steel City.
And what do you do?
I do all the marketing and events.
Oh, nice, sweet.
Yeah.
So you've been helping me out
I have been.
through emails.
On the email chain,
Well,
yes.
I appreciate it so much. Thank you.
Oh, it's good to have
And
you.
who's this guy?
Hey man, I'm Pokey Weiss. I'm one of the dealer operators here at Steel City Harley Davidson.
Pleasure to meet you,
Yeah,
and
very
thank
nice.
you so much for having me. Really
Awesome.
appreciate it, man.
We appreciate you picked us coming.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank
No, it's
you.
been-
Really appreciate
And
it.
she's the one that runs the show, Lisa.
She's the run of the show.
Yeah,
She's got the
even
cool
those
glasses on.
She runs the show. Doesn't look
Those
like
are those
she
are the
does.
right glasses. Absolutely. Yeah,
Thanks.
absolutely. Well, thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Back in the room, had a great time at the meet and greet at Steel City Harley Davidson. I want to thank everybody, the owner, Pokey, Lisa, for helping me out with everything over there. And I appreciate everybody that came out. Some of you guys drove 3 hours. Even someone drove 6 hours just to come by and say hello. Greatly, greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Tired, we're gonna get some rest, wake up tomorrow morning, and we got about, I think we got about 330 miles to go. There's a lot more rain coming, so stay tuned, guys. Day one is done on our cross-country trip adventure. See you guys later. Peace out.